Tammy, you talk about assessing a quilt before you load it, measuring and such. Do you have a video or workshop that shows the steps for doing that and then adjusting the quilt as you load in advance? I do, Tammy. I recently released a course smaller than my masterclass, which I call Machine Quilting for Beginners. And that's one of the modules, is on how I literally lay out a quilt and assess the size of it and how things fit and make my decisions about which direction I'm going to load the seams and then process through advancing it. And also in that course, because I'm trying to be helpful for the machine quilter who does not have a long arm, I go through the process of the same assessments, but then basting methods for using at a domestic machine too. So yes, that's all part of that course. It's all what I call the brass tacks. It's not about quilting designs at all. So even if you're a digital or computerized quilter, all the stuff would apply. It's about batting and thread and needles and loading and advancing and squaring and all those things. Yeah.